Welcome to the Immigration Express. Thousands of immigrants across the United States are now facing a harsh reality as federal investigators intensify their crackdown on marriage fraud. The U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, commonly known as USCIS, has launched a series of coordinated investigations in major cities including New York, Los Angeles, Miami, and Houston. These operations target individuals suspected of entering into fraudulent marriages with U.S. citizens for the sole purpose of obtaining green cards. In recent months, dozens of arrests have been made, and hundreds of immigration benefits have been revoked following evidence of fake unions. USCIS has publicly stated that marriage fraud is not just a violation of immigration law, but a federal crime, and those found guilty could face up to 5 years in prison, a fine of up to $250,000, and immediate deportation. The message is clear: marriage fraud carries life-altering consequences. The investigations have exposed elaborate schemes involving brokers, fake wedding ceremonies, staged photographs, and even falsified joint bank accounts. In one high-profile case, an American citizen was found to have married 3 different immigrants over a 5-year span in exchange for tens of thousands of dollars. In return, these immigrants filed for lawful permanent resident status based on marriage, submitting what authorities now describe as well-rehearsed lies. These schemes are now being systematically dismantled. USCIS has begun using enhanced tools such as digital surveillance, cross-agency data sharing, and artificial intelligence to detect inconsistencies in marriage-based green card applications. Officers are now conducting unannounced home visits, separating couples during interviews, and scrutinizing social media activity to verify the legitimacy of relationships. Immigrants caught in this dragnet are not only facing deportation but are also being permanently barred from re-entering the United States. Even U.S. citizens involved in these fake marriages are facing criminal charges ranging from conspiracy to immigration fraud. Legal experts warn that ignorance is not a defense. Some immigrants say they were misled by agents who promised fast-track green cards through marriage, only to find themselves trapped in illegal arrangements. Attorneys say even those who unknowingly participated in fraud could still be held accountable if they failed to question obvious red flags. Advocacy groups are now urging immigrants to seek legal guidance before entering marriage-based immigration processes, especially as USCIS adopts an increasingly aggressive stance. What once seemed like an easy shortcut to permanent residency is now a fast track to detention, prosecution, and exile. While legitimate immigrant couples still have every right to apply for green cards, they must now undergo deeper scrutiny than ever before. USCIS has reiterated that it is not targeting genuine relationships, but the process has become more rigorous even for honest applicants. Interview questions have become more detailed, timelines are closely examined, and minor inconsistencies can trigger full investigations. As the federal government steps up enforcement, immigration attorneys across the country are warning that the era of leniency is over. The Biden administration, while often viewed as more immigration-friendly, has made it clear that fraud will not be tolerated under any circumstance. The human cost is growing. Families are being torn apart. Some immigrants are being detained in ICE facilities for months as they await hearings. Others are returning home voluntarily, fearing criminal prosecution. For those caught up in the latest sweep, the dream of American life has ended in courtrooms, jail cells, and one-way tickets back home. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a critical immigration alert or update. We break down the policies that impact your status, your family, and your future. Got questions or concerns? Drop them in the comments. We're here to help you stay informed, prepared, and protected. Stay safe, stay aware, and we'll see you in the next video.